Place the instrument on a stable and a Clinx work table. Connect the power cord. Turn on the switch on the back side of the instrument and wait for the display to apply. Insert the USB into the USB socket on the side of the instrument. First, we will show you the blue light plate shooting. Press the circular button on the front panel to open the door. Put in the blue light plate. Place the sample in the center of the plate. And press the circular button to close the door. Enter the sample name as the file name prefix of the image. There are 4 levels of resolution to choose. Higher resolution means lower sensitivity, and high resolution is generally recommended. The shooting type has 3 modes: automatic, manual, and multi-frame shooting. First, let me show you how to shoot with auto exposure. Click auto exposure. The instrument will automatically set the exposure time. Click shooting. You can shoot the current sample and save the image file in 16-bit TIFF format to the USB. The image is automatically adjusted to the best grayscale value, or you can choose to manually adjust the grayscale value. Next, we will show you manual exposure. Click manual exposure. Open the preview for real-time viewing. Set the exposure time until the sample brightness is appropriate. Click shoot. You can shoot the current sample and save the image file in 16-bit TIFF format to USB. Next is the multi-frame shooting mode. Select multi-frame shooting. Set the exposure time and frame rate in the next line. Click shooting to finish multi-frame image shooting. Each frame is accumulated in grayscale and saved to USB in 16-bit TIFF format image file. After clicking save, the current image will be saved to USB in 8-bit TIFF format. Then we will show you how to cut the gel. Open the door, place the sample on the sample tray. Clip the orange filter plate to the adjustable screw socket to protect your eyes. Click on Cut Gel, turn on the blue light. You can start the gel cutting operation. Now we will show you how to use UV to detect gel. Open the door and put in the UV plate. Place the sample in the center of the sample plate. Gently press the circular button, close the door, and follow the procedure described before. If you need to cut the gel under UV irradiation, open the door, place the sample in the center of the UV plate, and insert the UV shield notch into the screw hole. Click on Cut Gel to cut the gel under UV irradiation. The protein gel shooting requires the use of a white light plate. Open the door, put in the white light plate. Place the sample in the center of the sample plate. Gently press the circular button, close the door. Enter the sample name. Select the appropriate resolution. Usually select high resolution. Select automatic for the shooting type. Click shooting. The instrument automatically calculates the exposure time and completes the shooting. Click auto. The image is automatically adjusted to the best grayscale value, or you can choose to adjust the grayscale value manually. Click save. The current image is saved to USB in 8-bit TIFF format. You can also choose manual shooting. Enter the sample name. Choose the appropriate resolution. Choose manual shooting type. Click to open the preview. Adjust the exposure time. Click shooting and complete the sample shooting. The image is automatically adjusted to the best grayscale value, or you can manually adjust the grayscale value. Click save. The image is saved to USB in 8-bit TIFF format. Click to select multi-frame shooting. Manually set the exposure time and frame rate. Click shooting and complete the multi-frame shooting, with each frame accumulating grayscale. The instrument also has the function of automatic shooting after entering the cabin. Set the corresponding shooting parameters according to the previous process. Click automatic shooting after entering the cabin. Open the door and put in the samples. Click to close the door, and the instrument automatically completes the shooting according to the preset parameters. When the shooting is finished, turn off the instrument.